Chapa na Maminero. This is their ID, pero ang tawag namin chapa. Okay, so before going inside the tunnel, they're dropping their chapa here. Drop nila. Then after 8 hours, get it. But if after 8 hours, their chapa is still here, there must be something wrong. So they're going to check it out. What is happening to the miner while still inside? So that's the purpose of the chapa. To monitor the in and out of the miners. Now over time, 7 to 3 to 11 and 11-7 ang shift ng mga miners natin. Okay? So yung purpose. At hindi sila makakasweldo kung wala to. Pero pasensya na, hindi kayo magsisweldo ha, mamaya. So, napaka-importante kasi if you're working here before, everything is free. Free housing, water, electricity, education, medical. Not now, of course. Okay. Alright, so ito yung ano natin, chapa nila. As pa yung mga dependents nila, pag mag-enroll sila noon sa school dito, which is sa St. Louis branch, tatanungin nila, chapa number ng tatay. Magpapacheck up ka sa hospital dati dito, chapa number ng tatay. Sa inyo na yan. Okay, keep it. Okay, dito. Stages of mining. 4 stages. Exploration, development, extraction, and milling stage. So those are the 4 stages of mining.